Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool stick vac. Right out the gate, I want to tell you one of my favorite features with the stick vac is the fact that it can stand up on its own, which this one does, and it locks right into place. That is fantastic. That way you're not having to constantly lay it down. Now it does come with this excellent holster that you can mount to the wall that does have the built-in charging cable. You can remove this or you can leave it attached. That allows this to then hook directly into here and charge itself up, hanging on the wall. Another great feature that I like, that it has the built-in onboard tool system that you can pull out those additional tools, clip those into place. Loving that. On the versatility side of this, it's fantastic in the fact that it works for anybody's height. So you actually have a button on the back here that you can push to adjust this length of this out any certain height that you want to have it all the way out. So now you've got that thing all the way out. Now I am 6'2", and that's already probably going to be even too high for me, so I'd have to reduce that down a little bit, but you can adjust that any height that you want. Push down on the foot there. Swivel head, fantastic. I also wanted to point out this. It has a 1.8 liter cup for the dust collection cup and for your debris. And on the back, this wonderful LED screen. We're going to simply turn it on. It's going to give you a lot of different options. You've got your battery level. You have your different speed. It's got 3 speeds. It also is going to show you whether or not you have any tangles going on or whether dust cups are full and that kind of thing. So it has a lot of information built into that, which is fantastic. Also, it's not extremely loud. It's about 62 decibels, 10-inch width on the cleaning tool down here, and it has the anti-hair and tangle piece in here, the little teeth that are at the back of this that will help pull out any kind of tangled hair to kind of help slow down and prevent any kind of tangled hair. Also has nice soft bristles on the bottom, including some rollers, so this is going to work great for both carpet and hardwood. So a lot of thought's been put into this. I'm going to go ahead and take some debris and kind of put it down here so I can kind of show you what this does before my dog eats it. Hang on. Now that is on low setting, and it picked up all of that debris on low setting, as you can see it in here. So that did a fantastic job. Can easily stand that up. I've got my dust cup on here. Now with the dust cup, you can either remove the dust cup, or if you don't want to touch it, you actually can pull it over a trash can and push this button. It's going to put all the debris down into the trash. Then it's all ready to go. Empties it out and you're ready to go for next time. Seemingly, if you want to change out the whole thing, you can pop it off. They do send you with an extra actual little HEPA filter that works in there as well. So it's very easy to use. Would work well for pretty much anyone's home or office.